In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Easter egg in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So Easter egg, as you may have probably seen, is this thing over here. So these plants over here are Easter eggs. Now, let me just pick up a few for you so I can show you how these look like. Egg, there we go, Easter egg. This is what an Easter egg basically looks like. They come in different colors and you can sell them for, let's see how much they sell for over here at the shop. So how much is this worth? Let's see. They sell for about, yeah, as you can see, 10 to 13k, so it's pretty good. Now, of course, to get these, unfortunately, right now, you can't get them in the seed shop. So if you go to the seed shop, you can't really scroll through and find Easter eggs anywhere. They are currently not available in here. And this is because they were actually a part of the Easter event, which happened during Easter, and it was only available for a few days. And then the Easter shop was gone. Now, during the event, here in the middle of the map, where you can now see the angry plant, there was kind of a Easter merchant, and you had to, I think, give it 30 kilograms worth of golden plants, and after you did this, you were able to essentially buy the Easter egg from her, as well as some other seeds as well. Now, this is currently the only way this was the only way to get the Easter egg seed. However, if you just want to get the Easter eggs, this could be a bit easier. So what you want to do is just basically find a player anywhere on your server. So for example, this guy looks very rich over here. I'm going to walk up to him, and then you can just see in case they have any of these eggs. So if they have the Easter eggs, in case they do, you can just ask them inside the chat, hey, could I please get an Easter egg? And then they'll give it to you. However, if you actually want to get the Easter egg seeds, unfortunately, right now, they have removed it and you cannot get it anymore. So in case you've gotten it during the Easter event and you have it like me over here, you're lucky enough and you're one of the few people who actually do. But in case you weren't able to play during the Easter event and you didn't get it, unfortunately, you're gonna have to either wait for next Easter or, of course, wait until they release it or release a way to get it, even if you don't play during Easter. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.